Howdy there, Internet students. This is Mr. Hermanson again. So this is how you can use the Desmos calculator to do this problem. Just one little warning, you're not going to want to use this Desmos calculator forever. You wouldn't be able to use it on your tests in high school. So you are going to want to get a TI-84 eventually. But I will show you how to do it. I'm not going to go through the whole problem. Once I show you how to enter the data and how to make the graph and how to make the equation, then you need to go back to the other video lesson and finish up the rest of it there. So hopefully this will be a short lesson. So we're here at number 4, enter the data into calculator lists. Okay, so here's how you do that on the Desmos. So I'm assuming that you have this Desmos calculator up and running. It's just desmos.com/calculator, and it's the graphing one. Okay, if you don't, then just pause it and find that and get it up there then. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to add a table in here. So press this little plus thing here and press table, and it should come out looking like that. In X1 you're going to put all the fats from the hamburgers, and in Y1 you're going to put all the calories. So X1 you want to put, see if I can get both these. Okay, so we're going to enter, and there's a couple ways you can enter it. I think you can just type it in on your keyboard, which you can, and press enter, or you can use the little keyboard down here and put in the numbers that way. And if you need to fix something, just go back, and on this keypad here it gives you ways to fix that. So I have the 9, enter, 13, enter, 21, and so on. Go ahead and do all that. Put in, and when you get to the end, just press your right arrow over and type in your calories. So I'll pause here and you can finish that up and then pitch back up. Alright, so I have all that data in, and notice it came right up on the graph here. Now to make a really nice plot of it, right here, if you see that icon lighting up, it says zoom fit. Click on that and it'll put the data in your graph. Now your graph you can actually move around on this any way you like, but okay. Now the next thing we're going to do is we are going to eyeball a graph. Actually, we did that on your other graph, so we're good there. So all we need to do is create the equation now of the line of best fit that the calculator generates. So to do that, you're going to open up a second spot below your table there, and what you're going to do is you're going to tell the computer to take your Y1, so highlight your Y1 like I did right there, and copy that, so Control C is how I did that, and then you're gonna paste that, which is Control V, into the second spot for equations. Okay, and now to get it to understand that you want to do a regression, you use this symbol here. I'm not exactly sure what that thing is called, but the place I find it on my keyboard is right below the escape button in the upper left hand corner. Okay, and now what you want to do is you want to figure out the relationship between your y sub 1 and your x sub 1. So I'm going to highlight x sub 1 here, and I'm going to copy that And I'm going to write my linear regression equation. That way it knows what type of equation I'm looking for. So I'm going to put m, which stands for slope. And then I'm going to control V to get my x sub 1 there. You can see it's starting to work. And then you put plus, and then B for your y-intercept. Okay, and now it's all done. It's actually figured out your equation for you. And if you look closely, you'll see it tells you what the slope is. Right here, it says 11.73. See if I can highlight that for you. 11.7313, and it gives you the y-intercept 193.852. So, so let's go back to your paper here. And we did the scatter plot there. And so we've now determined the line of best fit according to your calculator. It was y equals 11.7313 x plus, I think it was 193.85 something. I can go back and get that. 0.852, 193.852. Okay. All right. So that's how you get the equation using the Desmos and how you make a graph. The rest of it, you can go back and finish up that other video and get to the parts that you need in order to answer these questions. And other than that, we'll see you soon.